SEZL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Sezzle stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with a track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've documented everything and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And it's again on all my YouTube channel. Sezzle looked like this. Yes, it went up like down 2% yesterday, but the only thing that I would have bought was if the price came down and gave me a shift. Practically speaking here, it kind of went down. It didn't like quite definitely give me exactly what I wanted to see. And that's fair. That's part of the game. But still, the one thing that will still matter to me is it pulling down, grabbing the liquidity, and giving me a shift. I'm not yet going to be pulling no triggers up. Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, you can see pre-market how low it is, actually. So it's kind of like how I knew. So once we open up here and it gives me a if it gives me a confirmation, then and only then I'm gonna really be buying. Other than that, I'll just observe, you know, not assume stuff, merely just react of whatever the price is gonna give me. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. It's free. Goodbye and enjoy.